the request of the Houston Police Department. The Houston Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for 18-month-old Devin Montgomery, who was in a car that was stolen at the Walmart store at 11,200 South Chestnut in Houston. The incident occurred at 5:44 p.m. this evening. Anyone with information regarding the child, suspect, or vehicle is asked to immediately call the Houston Police Department at 713-308-3600. The stolen vehicle is a green, four-door, 1996 Jeep Cherokee with Texas license plate